2014 Infinity Q50 battery replacement. Take the cover off. And a couple little prying tools. Gonna have a bunch of little clips and stuff like that that we'll need to remove, like these. Just do here. And to get to the battery. Yay. Make it all look aesthetically pleasing, but pain in the butt to replace. Prying tool, push the clips up. That little piece will come out. Clips over there. So this little piece right here also comes off. Clip right here. And a clip right here. Move it out of the way. Now you got full access to the battery. Alright, so gonna disconnect your positive first. 10mm. Your tank lift up. This little tin right here can come out of the way. Move it up out of the way. Now for the ground. Up and out of the way. Future reference, these things never work. Deep 10mm socket to be able to get this bracket off. If you have wrench will work, just be careful of the positive post. These are little hooks. Short one in the back, long one in the front. Come off out of the way. And now we got access to our battery. Little thermal protection cover. The terminals go the right way, otherwise that will be a bad day for you. Don't know if you can see down here, but the little hook is right there. Just kind of go on there, around. Oops. All right, continue. So take the bracket off. Just a little hook piece right down there. Just hook onto the bottom. Kind of hard to see. That over. And same thing back here. Little hook. Down. That's the only fun part, is keeping that hook lined up as you tighten everything down. You don't want to pop itself out. Just got to kind of finagle with it a little bit. You get it in there, hold it to the side, and you can tighten it up. tight, tight. Alright, so I'm going to put positive on. Good and tight. Get your bracket back down inside. Make sure you don't touch that tin anywhere. Sparky, sparky. Like that, and just reassemble. Yay. That'll line up in there like that, like that. Make sure you push this little piece back down in there too. And time to put all the clips back. Double alarmed if some of them break. It's plastic. They all inevitably do at one point in time. That. Let's cover back on. Make sure it's down all the way too. Clip. And clip. Like one of my clips went missing. Oh, there it is. Nope. So we're missing one clip. It's alright. Cover back on, and voila.